Hi guys! So today, ayan, dumating na yung aking hintay na lashes. This is from Leona Beauty. Thank you, it just arrived today. Ayan. Excited na ako. Color pink yun naman. It's so cute, right? Wow, meron siyang eyelash curler na kasama. And then, these press-on lashes. So, ayan, meron siyang clip. Madali lang siya. So, itry na natin. Meron din siyang tweezers. Ayan. Meron siyang three. Okay, so sabi dito, clip the center of the lashes and gently lift them to the tray without touching the adhesive. So, before that, we will lift our eyelashes first para madali siyang i-apply. Ito siya. Ang cute color pink. Yan, ang ganda. Next naman sa kanila. Pakita ko sa inyo guys, ayan. So this is 100 pieces and no glue needed na siya. This is in sassy design. It's so cute. Okay, let's start. Gawin natin yung tweezers nila. Color pink din. My favorite color. This is from Leona Beauty. And kuha tayo from this press-on lashes. I will try kung kaya ko lang. Guys, ang dali niya lang talaga. Medyo makakita. So, this is without and this is with. Medyo mahaba na siya. Ang ganda. Ang dali niya lang ilagay in fairness. So, pa tayo. I think in one eye, it will be 3 to 4. Kabit. So, ganito lang siya. Sa dulo lang. Wala kayo kukuha guys. Before the tulo. Yan. Ayan, so ito yung with and without. Can you see the difference? It's so pretty. This is, I think 4 na lagay. Kasi ano siya eh. 4 na dikit. Tada! This is the finished look, guys. Ang haba ng lashes ko. And this is reusable up to 3 to 4 times. So, makakatipid ka talaga. This is so pretty. Thank you, Leona Beauty. Dali lang siya ilagay. So, check out nyo na guys.